Yeah, that's the good stuff they're for. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, these smaller ones, it's just that they were so far away and I was in the back of my truck, you know. I just couldn't see exactly what it was. I didn't know if it was like astrobiology or if it was UFO craft or it was, you know, they didn't really look like Cessnas to me, but I didn't see them very well. But flight radar said they were Cessnas, and there's like 5 or 6 of them that are just doing circles, according to flight radar. And then these bigger planes, that was 2 in a row. That was like a commuter, that were like commuter planes. And it is five, what is it, 5, 6 o'clock, 6, 7 o'clock. You know, they're not spewing smoke out the back of them. Although there are some lines up there. You know what I'm saying? I didn't see, well, something put that line up there. Right. Yeah, that's correct. Or it's web. It's either chemtrail or web, in my opinion. Yeah, Jeffrey swears they're all just contrails. I don't think so either. I think the chemtrails are psyop for the web, because I got a video of what I thought was a chemtrail, and it went right in our tree that used to be outside your place, your building. That can't be a contrail. Can't be chemtrail. Went right in the tree and caught a bird. Yeah, and caught a bird. I have a video of it. It's on YouTube. It's not super clear. Well, it's called "Some Trails Are Not Made by Planes," and it's about halfway back through my videos. You know, I got about 1,000 of them, and yeah, it's on there. Not super clear because it gets real blurry when they're around, but no, I got it off my security camera. I filmed it off of the monitor because I thought it was just another chemtrail going across the sky. But it went right in the trees and caught a bird. Mm-hmm. Yes, it went, yum. Yes, it did. It certainly did. Mm-hmm. It did. It splashed. Poor thing.